I spent the last 2 weeks sitting my butt in different chairs testing lumbar support, tilt mechanisms, and durability, so you don't have to. I filtered out the trash and found the absolute gold. From the secret weapon that costs less than a new game to the Rolls-Royce of chairs that feels like a cloud, by the end of this video, you will know exactly where your money should go. Let's find you the perfect throne. Starting at number 1. Secretlab Titan Evo. Even at 4 years old, Secretlab's 2022 Titan Evo stands as one of the best all-around gaming chairs. It's simply excellent, with rock-solid build quality, dense butt-giving foam, and a variety of size and material options, including high-quality leatherette and sturdy fabric. Most notable is a 2-knob internal lumbar support that lets you adjust the chair's height and firmness to hit your lower back just right. The Titan Evo is a bit pricey, but you get one of the nicest conventional gaming chairs for the price. It's also available in 3 different sizes and a choice of faux leather, fabric, or micro suede, or a version from this year with an even sturdier leatherette called NanoGen that features a few design upgrades the other options don't. Plus, there are many different styles, including ones for esports teams, DC superheroes, and League of Legends characters. Number 2. Playseat Puma Active Gaming Seat. The Playseat Puma isn't meant for desk use. It's designed for gaming in front of your TV. The seat might look a little goofy, but it's quite comfortable to sit on. Even better, you can gently rock back if you want to further stretch out while playing. It also has useful pockets for stashing your various gamepads and remotes. If your couch is just a bit too far away from your TV for comfortable gaming, or you just want a more solid seat rather than big, wide cushions, this is the chair for you. It's sturdy enough to support larger bodies, feels comfortable whether you want to lean back or bend forward, and is small enough to easily tuck away whenever you don't want your living room to reek of gamer. Number 3. Fractal Design Refine. The Fractal Design Refine is a minimalist gaming chair that punches well above its price range. It features incredibly clever design elements and is very comfortable, partly thanks to an adjustable lumbar support. It lacks the extensive and obsessive ergonomic engineering of Herman Miller's chairs, but it costs half as much. This is one of the best chairs for a Herman Miller-like design without the hefty price. However, the mesh version's upholstery feels a bit plasticky. Number 4. Secretlab Titan Evo NanoGen Edition. The Secretlab Titan Evo NanoGen Edition is a slightly upgraded version of the Titan Evo, but with a much higher price. It has a softer seat, nicer armrests, and smoother and more resilient NanoGen faux leather upholstery. Still, those benefits don't necessarily justify spending an extra $250 over the Titan Evo, unless you have a cat. The chair withstood the attention of my Russian blue while suffering 2 almost unnoticeable welts. Other leatherette chairs would have been completely shredded. If you own a pet and want a supple, faux leather chair, the Titan Evo NanoGen Edition is the only one I've tested that endured claws. It is expensive, though, and the more affordable Titan Evo versions are still top-tier gaming chairs. If you don't need leatherette, consider the soft weave fabric upholstery model. And there you have it, the 4 best gaming chairs you can actually buy right now. Whether you're a pro streamer or a weekend warrior, one of these is perfect for your setup. Remember, your spine is the only one you've got. Don't cheap out on it. All the links to the chairs in this video, including the current best price drops, are waiting for you in the description below. Seriously, go check them out. Some of these deals are limited. If this video actually helped you save time or pick a chair, do me a favor, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want the best gear before anyone else, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video. Game on!